Hi guys, so today's video is going to be about Dexter Daps and his intro album. And Missy Me Bed and Miss You is one of my favorite songs from the whole intro album, including the owner. But when I first listened to the song, the whole album I should say, this was the song that sticked out to me. This was the song that got me excited. This was the song I say, yeah, I love. This is a song that made me say, yeah, me miss babe. So we're gonna go into the song lyrics. We're gonna dissect the lyrics. We're gonna talk about it, and I'm just gonna give you guys my overall thoughts and opinions. Dexter Daps is going to be at best of the best. Me, Brains on the Beat, and Soulflow TV is going to be at best of the best. So I'm here for it. So if you wanna hear my thoughts and opinions on Missy Me Bed and Miss You, keep on watching your girl. So the intro starts with me not even one day in another room ya star. Wonder if me shoulda give her a call. And then he goes into the chorus and say, Missy me bed and miss you, you and I. You left a fragrance in my room when you come by. You make me float like a balloon into the sky. Missy me bed and miss you, you and I. And then verse 1 says, any man where you get a pussy, they him have to honor you. Any girl where say them hate you, them just a fan of you. Me look up the definition of the baddest honor you. Cause anywhere you go, every eye, they have to follow you. Pussy so good, me wish you have. Pussy so good, me wish me have 21 of you. Boy can't style you, but him I go take one and go. And me a fuck you, but me shoulda fuck you long ago. So me no know how way some liquor man a go. And then he goes into the chorus. Cause I just you and I. You left a fragrance in my room when you come by. You make me flow like a balloon into the sky. Me see me bed, I miss you, you and I. And he goes into verse 2 and say, me imagine your head palm me bed, head a bounce, while me a slap up your body like kettle drum. Me not even happy go nowhere if you make you come. Two of we a bust together like a Beretta gun. How your pussy feel so warm like we a make a sun. If it wet up anymore, me coulda set a drum. She deliver it to me. It's like a letter come. Somebody say, fi bring a stretcher come. Alright, so goes into chorus again. And then he sing verse 3. Position in my bed, bumper in the ear, face down, collision. We a fuck and make the house shake down. Drop it, then you pull it up again like you a play a song. Then after that we burn up a high grade spliff. Cause no bush no there, so fi beat round. And then he goes into the chorus. Girl, I miss you, you and I. You left a fragrance in my room when you come by. You make me fly like a balloon into the sky. Missing me bed, I miss you, you and I. Wish me did there with you. I'm happy when I'm with you. Even my brother tell me fi be together with you. And then he sing the chorus again. So we're gonna start off with verse 1. And I'm gonna tell you guys my favorite lines. Any man where get a pussy, him have to honor you. Any girl will say them hate you, them just a fan of you. Okay? Those are one of my favorite lines in verse 1. And then the other favorite line is pussy so good me wish me have 21 of you. And me a fuck you, but I me should have fuck you long ago. Those are like my 4 favorite lines from verse 1. I mean, I have to spell out why. Every girl want to feel like so them pum pum good and them can hold them man and and them man wish them have more than one of them. Oh, me not have to spell it out for you if you wanna understand why those are some of my favorite lines. And most man, when them tell you say, yo, me a fuck you, but I make sure that fuck you long ago, you know, say you think they're on a different level. Okay? So, if no man never said that to you, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what happened to your kitty cat. I don't know what's going on, but my man tell me that already. So, that's why me like that line. So, we're gonna go into verse 2. While me slap up your body like a kettle drum, me not even have to go nowhere where fi make you come. Two of we are bust together like a Beretta gun. Okay? I'm sorry, ladies. If you're there with one man and he can't make you come, I don't know what type of life you're living. You're losing out. The fake morning and the fake coming and it not do anything for you know. So you need to leave that man there, okay? If you haven't experienced you and your man come same time, like you are missing out on a very integral part of having sexual intercourse and lovemaking, because that is one of the most powerful things ever, I feel like, as far as sex is concerned. When you and your partner come at once, same time, everything, like it's something to experience. So for all of the women them way the man can't make them come, for all of the man them way just when the woman want to walk, wanna go and like wanna they sleep and all this, you know, go work, she go left you, she go find man, we can make she come. Okay? Dexter they teach you know, what if you do. Step by step. And then we're gonna go into verse 3. Position in a me head bumper in a the ear, face down, collision. We are fuck and make the house shake down. Drop it, then you pull up again like you are play sound. Okay? So, position in a me bed, bumper in a the ear, face down, ass up, face down. Alright, so that's basically what he's talking about. And if you, that's another nice position for experience. If you have a little at the back and you can have a bit of something to work with at the back part, that's a nice position also. So the man the teach you know, step by step how to deal with the girl in a bed, slap up her body, feel her up, and to one of the come same time and they shake down the house. Like if your neighbor never knock on your wall yet because you having sex so loud, then I don't know what kind of life you live. Just saying. Just saying. Oh, TMI, maybe TMI. And the chorus, girl, I miss you, you and I. You left a fragrance in my room. When you come by, you make me fly like a balloon into the sky. Me see me bed, I miss you. Wish me there with you. I'm happy when I'm with you. Even my brother tell me to be together with you. So honestly, the chorus is what really got me for this song, because you know, when you miss your man and you go in your room and you see your bed and be like, oh, me wish babe the day if he hug me up and cuddle me up and we talk and laugh and have a bottle of wine and all that. So the chorus is what really got me into the song. Do it really catch me attention, because you know when woman lonely, they like to talk and then like reminisce and lay down in bed and all that, and that's what this chorus bring me to. So that's why I really like the song, and I really love this song. I feel like this is one of the best songs on the album. So if you like this video, tell me what your favorite lines in this video is. Tell me what your favorite lyrics in this song is, and comment down below and tell me if he has a video on this song, because I haven't seen a video yet. So he will be at Best of the Best, I will be at Best of the Best, Soulflow TV will be at the Best of the Best. It's going to be on and popping. We're going to be at Bicentennial Park from 12:30 to 1 or 1:30. before the show starts at 2, because we want to meet some of our friends. We want to talk to you guys. So be there or be squared. It is a date. Do not be late, okay? We will be there. Back, my bag pack and everything ready to go, okay? So comment in the comment video and tell me who is your favorite artist that you want to see at Best of the Best. Me personally, may look forward to Dexter Daps and Movado. May I look forward to Dexter Daps, honestly. Spice. May I look forward to a lot of people being on Best of the Best. We did it in the crowd to enjoy ourselves. So be there. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuce.